Hi everyone. I played and I would like to show you what I made. Um, I took uh, a clear ornament and I painted it pink, and then I added glitter, lots and lots of glitter, and I added an image uh, with Mod Podge, and I glittered it, and then I took um, puffy paint. I'll show you. You can get it at Michael's. It comes in different colors. And you're supposed to use a hair dryer to make it puffy. Well, I gave my hair dryer to my sister a long time ago. She has several granddaughters that needed hair supplies, so I thought, well, I don't use it, so I might as well give it away. So my puffy paint, I just took my finger and smushed it down, so it's not puffy, but it does remind me of frosting. So I'm happy about that. And I don't know if you can tell, I think I added too much glitter, but that's a bunny image. And then I just added flowers, and I added snowflakes. I don't know if you can tell. Um, you really, I can't see them so good. So then I just added a flower on top of it, but it makes it look like this flower is too far away from these, but I'll live with it. So that's that one. Let's see, where could I put this? I don't know. I'll use this as there we go. And same thing, same way. I took a clear ornament from Michael's and painted it, put puffy paint and image, and just added the flowers. And this is a cherub with, she's holding a heart. And I know this could easily be for Valentine's Day, but I just thought it was, you know, cute enough. And let's see, the last one, I just love this image all the time. I think I have 3 different things made of with this image from Pinterest of this cherub. And these were real easy to make. I didn't even know I was going to make them. And I don't know. Some ladies can just sit down and create, and I have to, I don't know, just do it when I can. So I just ordered. I just placed some these, I call them flowers, but I don't know what they're called. They're from Walmart in the let's see, the ribbon section up on top. And if you're looking, they're 10 for, I think, $3, and that's a good price. So that's the ones I put here. So I just had a easy time. I just add flowers and then I'm happy. But I just love the puffy paint effect as far as it's not puffy, but it just reminds me of icing on a cupcake. So I'm good to go. Oh, let's see, what else can I say? They're just easy. Just painting and sprinkling glitter on while the paint is wet, and then puffy paint, and uh, I'm just, I'm happy. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a real happy Friday. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.